How to forward an email to Gmail, Yahoo or other email service providers. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the email section and click on the forwarders icon. Now click on the Add Forwarder button. If you wish to forward incoming emails of my email at example.com to another email address, then in the Address to Forward text box, enter the address my email. In case you have multiple domains, click to open the drop-down list and select the desired domain. In the Forward to Email Address text box, enter the address or multiple addresses separated by commas. This is the address to which emails will be forwarded. In case you wish to discard emails, then click on this option button to select Discard and send an error message. You should type the error message or failure message, to be sent, in this text box. We will learn about advanced options later in this video. Now click on the Add Forwarder button. That's it, we have successfully added the forwarder. Let's learn to forward emails to an email pipe script such as my email pipe.php, which is located in your public HTML folder. Click on the Go Back option. Now click on the Add Forwarder button. Enter the address and select domain of the email account whose emails you want to forward to an email pipe script. Click on the Advanced options. Click, to select, on the Pipe to a Program option button. Now enter the full path of your custom email pipe script such as home/username/public_html/myemailpipe.php. Click on the Add Forwarder button. That's it, we have successfully added the forwarder. Now click on the Go Back button. Here you can see the list of forwarded email addresses. Thank you for watching.